The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is the third day of our preparation for the feast day of Saint Joseph Marello, tomorrow, May 30. And for today, let us reflect on what Joseph Marello said. Once your goal is set, fix your eyes on it, even if the world fall apart. Truly, we all have our goals. We're all eyeing for something. And that something will give us real happiness. That something will give us a sense of fulfillment and accomplishment in our life. And Saint Joseph Marello is telling us, we need to persevere. We need to keep looking at the goal that we set. And no matter what happens, we have to believe that it is possible with the help of God. But there are times when we have to realize that our goal is not aligned with the goal or the plan of God for our life. Saint Joseph is teaching us that we can only hold on, we can only keep fighting for the goals that are aligned with the will of God for us. Just like what happened in our gospel for today also. When Jesus was telling his disciples, well, you may drink the cup that I must drink, you may be baptized according to my baptism, but who can sit on my right and on my left? That depends on God. And so, in our desire for perfection, in our desire for success, in our perseverance to reach the goal of our life, one thing that we must have to consider is it aligned with the will and plan of God? And if yes, no matter what happens, we shouldn't be afraid. We shouldn't lose our enthusiasm. We shouldn't give up. Otherwise, all our sacrifices will be in vain. Divine goals, heavenly goals, are all worth fighting for. And all of those will bring the true happiness that we deserve in our life. So today, if you have set your goals in life, keep holding on to it, examine it, and make it sure that it is aligned with the will of God, so that no matter what happens, even if the world will fall apart, we will always say, I have done what I can, and the rest belongs to God. God bless you.